Welcome to the next tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to install OctoberCMS on CentOS Web Panel. OctoberCMS is a free and open source self-hosted CMS software which is developed by Laravel PHP Framework, which allows you to create your own website without knowing any codings. So now let's see how to install this OctoberCMS on CentOS Web Panel. Before going to start installation, you need to have PHP version 7 is installed on your machine. After that, you can start installation for OctoberCMS. To install OctoberCMS, you must have installed LAMP setup. Here I am using CentOS Web Panel, so the LAMP is pre-installed. First of all, you need to configure some things on your CentOS Web Panel. So open your browser and type the IP address of your CentOS Web Panel server, followed by port number 2030, and then log in with your credentials. And here we need to create user account and domains. Now click user account, click new account and type the username. Let's type October and type the password and provide your email address. And click create. Here the user account is created. And then create domain. Now click domains and click add domain. Here type the fully qualified domain name. For example, I type it as and choose the user for the domain. Now click create and here the domain is created. Now that's all. Let's go back to terminal. Next we need to create database and database user for OctoberCMS inside MySQL database. So log into MySQL database. Now here create database. Now type any name you want and hit enter. Now let's create user. Now type this command and here change the username and then change the password. And then now run this command to grant privileges for the user to the database. Now fetch the privileges. And exit from database. Next we need to download the package for OctoberCMS. For that you can type this command. Now hit enter. Here the package is downloading. Wait for some time. So after download you can see a package which is OctoberCMS.zip. Since the package is in zip format, so we need to extract it by using unzip command. So now type unzip space and the package name. After extracting the package, you can see that is created. So now we need to move all the contents inside this directory into your domain's public HTML directory. So type the command. This is the path for my domain's public HTML, which is document root of the domain. Now change it according to yours and then copy the files into your domain's document root. Here you need to mention -r option. Here you can see now the files are copied. Let's verify. Here you can see now change ownership. Now type the command chmon space -R space. Here the username is October. Now you can check. Now the ownership has been changed. Next open an Apache configuration file. Here in CentOS Web Panel, which is located here, /user /local /apache /conf /httpd.conf, and here come to last line and add the content as follows. Now here type like this and then save the file. Now restart Apache service. Now here we also need to change the file permissions for this version directory inside your domains document root. So now type the command chmod space -R space 755 space and the path. Here you can see now it's changed. Next go to the browser and open new tab and type a fully qualified domain name. And here you can see the installation page for OctoberCMS. Here check if all the requirements is satisfied or not. Now here click agree and continue, and here type your database information, database name, and database username, and then password. After that click here and provide administrator account details. And click continue. Here you can choose any option. If you want to install anything for your website means you can choose this option. Here it shows some themes. Here you can choose any one. Now choose any one and then click install and click confirm. Now it's installing. Wait for some time. Here the installation is completed. If you want to see your website means you can go to this URL. Here you can see this is your sample website and you can edit the content. And then if you want to go to admin area means you can go to this URL. And here login with your credentials. And here you can manage your website. Now that's all about how to install OctoberCMS on CentOS Web Panel. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linux Help. For further tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.